my name is Kasara, and I'm on a journey to learn some new recipes. Come join me and we will try out some delicious recipes together for the first time. I will also make a few of my personal favorite dishes. We will speak to special guests and find out more about their love for cooking. We can pick up some helpful cooking tips along the way. And did I mention there will be chocolate? Yes, yummy chocolate. See you soon on Cooking with Kasara.